Hey, Kaikane here once again. Today, let's talk about the importance of being your own boss. After you get your foot in the door and adjusted to the culture, the people, and your foreign environment, wherever you are in teaching English abroad, you will be able to branch off into the coveted private English teaching field. Once you do, you will be able to experience one of the most amazing feelings of joy and freedom in life, being your own boss. I have been my own boss pretty much since 2001, and I love each and every day of it. I wake up when I want to, make however much I want to, teach who I want to, have fun with who I want to, take a break when I want to, take a vacation when I want to, and everything and anything else you can imagine that I or you would want to do. You will enjoy it when the time comes, and yes, you will thank me later once you are your own boss and making tons of money teaching private English lessons wherever you are in the world. Do just keep in mind that no matter how much you are your own boss, you must always remain professional and be on top of things. This includes never getting angry at your students, clients, never canceling lessons simply because you are lazy, not having too many relationships with your students, and so on. You catch my drift, I am sure, ladies and gentlemen. It is a bit of repetition, but just trying to embed the key points. Keep it real, men and women, and don't lose track of yourself, your profession, or your success. Well, lads, I'm on my way to a dinner date with a wonderful and fabulous Japanese socialite who is also a student. Be sure to check out my website in the meantime if you haven't, getrichtechingenglish.com, and also get the book if you haven't as well. Also, if you have any in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad, the best places on where to move to teach English overseas, learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching, and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website. I also provide resume and reference services as well. Have a great day and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.